Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to delete all messages on Discord. So first you just have to open your Discord, and if you want to delete a specific message or if you want to delete messages, you can do it by tapping this three dots, or you can simply enter or tap shift, and then you will see the trash bin or delete icon right here, and all you have to do is to tap that one in order for you to delete your messages. However, you cannot select this one all and then tap delete, then you cannot simply delete all of this. You have to do it one by one by tapping shift and then click delete icon, or tap this three dots and click delete. However, if you wanted to delete all the conversation or all conversation in a specific channel, then what you're going to do first is you have to duplicate this one. So let's just say you want to rename the channel, you just want to delete all the conversation or delete all chat history. So first you have to look for the channel and then right click and then tap duplicate channel. So let's just say this one right here. You want to remain, or you want this channel to stay, but you want to delete all the messages. So right click, duplicate channel. And then once it is duplicated, and then what you're going to do is you just have to simply delete the old one, right click, delete, and that's it. So you have the same channel, the name, and the people inside, the members, but you don't have the chat or the messages anymore. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.